In today's video, we are going to show you how to restart Mozilla Firefox properly, including a clean restart using built-in Firefox tools. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that all the Firefox windows are completely closed. You can simply click the X button on the top right corner of every Firefox window. Now, wait a few seconds to ensure Firefox is fully shut down, because this simple restart fixes many temporary browser issues. Now, open Firefox again, and I want you to type this on the address bar: about, restart required, and press enter. Now, Firefox will automatically restart itself. This method applies pending updates and clears any stock background processes. I want you to click the Restart Firefox right here. And basically that's it. Another safe way to restart Firefox is go to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines and go to Help. Now I want you to click the More Troubleshooting Information, and there should be an option that says Select Restart Firefox or Refresh Firefox. It's up to you. Now click Confirm when prompted, because this method is super helpful if Firefox feels slow or unresponsive. Click the OK button. As you can see, it's refreshing Firefox. And basically, that's how you successfully restarted Mozilla Firefox the right way. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.